Hi guys, now R&B having a new series, avocado series. Oh, well, avocado strawberry yogurt blend, avocado yogurt with oatmeal, and avocado with pecan nuts smoothie. Let's try. The avocados is rich in antioxidants, high in fiber.
Natural plant protein.
Okay, let's
Let's
try. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
R&B, for the invitation to review this drink.
Hello guys, this is avocado strawberry yogurt blend. Whoa,
Oh, so thick.
so thick,
Let's try. Okay, we mix first.
so nice.
Very nice.
Mm.
This one is avocado with the pecan nut smoothie. Wow, guys, so thick, man. Taste the crunchy in every sip. The last one is the avocado yogurt with the oatmeal. Let's try. For this yogurt drink, you should mix well to get the combination taste of the yogurt, avocado, very well,
And oatmeal.
and the oatmeal also. Very nice. You should try it. Go run on your nearby R&B store. Bye.
Bye.